8 Proven Home Remedies for Hair Growth. Just as your skin needs care and nourishment, your tresses too require your loving attention. A basic hair care routine can go a long way in ensuring healthy hair. Experts caution against an overdependence on chemical products though, when it comes to chalking out a robust hair care plan. Instead, look for natural remedies. In fact, you can find some of the hair solutions in your own home. There are several ingredients, which are easily available in your kitchen, that can fight hair fall, dandruff and scalp infections. Here are some of the most effective home remedies for hair growth that can come in handy for your hair. 1. How does home remedies for hair growth with Amla help? Here are a couple of home remedies, starring Amla, for damaged hair. In a bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of Amla powder and 2 teaspoons of shiitake powder and a little bit of water to make a smooth paste. Don't let it get watery. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for about 45 minutes. After this, shampoo your hair in normal water. You can follow this routine once a week. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil till it turns brown. Add a teaspoon of Amla powder and let the mixture cool a bit. Massage your scalp with this for about 10 minutes and wait for half an hour or so. Shampoo off. Use a mild shampoo. You can follow this routine twice a week. How Amla works. It's considered a natural immunity booster. In fact, experts say that it's the most sought-after natural ingredient for hair vitality. Why? This is because Amla contains oodles of essential fatty acids, which are said to strengthen hair follicles. Also, a surplus of vitamin C in Amla can prevent premature graying. It's also high in iron and potent antioxidants, ellagic, gallic acid and carotene. The latter improves blood circulation around the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. What's more, these can also fight dandruff. 2. Can home remedies for hair growth with essential oils help? Home remedies for hair growth with essential oils. Your home remedies for hair problems must include essential oils. Here are some varieties that are fated for their magical benefits for hair. Rosemary and lavender. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil and add half a piece of avocado in the oil. Whisk them. Add a little bit of honey and an egg. Blend. Add rosemary and lavender oils 10 drops each. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for 45 minutes. Shampoo off. Try this once a week. How rosemary and lavender work. Rosemary contains an anti-inflammatory agent called carnosol. This is quite a potent ingredient that can help in balancing hormones. It can boost follicle growth, thereby reducing the chances of hair fall. Linalool and linalool acetate present in lavender can help in strengthening hair roots and stimulating follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. Home remedies for hair growth with jojoba oil. Jojoba remedies. If you have an itchy scalp, massaging jojoba oil can help immensely. This also helps in blood circulation. You can use jojoba as a homemade conditioner as well. Apply it to the hair ends after shampooing. Blend an egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for about 45 minutes. After that, shampoo off. How jojoba works. It's considered a soothing emollient. And it's often hailed as an effective leave-in treatment for dry hair. It's also rich in antifungal properties that are vital for keeping the scalp in the pink of health. Jojoba can help you get rid of the irritating layers of dead skin on the scalp. It can also help you get rid of dandruff and dirt, leaving behind a clean scalp. Jojoba is also rich in vitamin E, omega-6 and 9 fatty acids and a saturated fatty acid that fights harmful free radicals that have damaged our hair. Jojoba hair oil can also effectively unclog hair follicles. Home remedies for hair growth with juniper. Juniper magic juniper oil can be a home remedy for dandruff. Just add 4 to 5 drops of juniper essential oil in a little bit of almond oil and apply the blend on your scalp. Massage. Follow this procedure regularly for at least a couple of weeks. How juniper works. Juniper oil has got astringent properties. Juniper oil can make hair roots stronger, thereby boosting hair growth. If you apply juniper oil on the scalp, you can prevent acne breakouts on the scalp. This is because the antiseptic property of the essential oil prevents the growth of the acne-causing bacteria on the scalp. It prevents dirt from accumulating within the follicles, thereby curbing acne breakouts. 3. What are the best home remedies for hair growth with coconut? Remedies. Home remedies for hair growth with coconut oil. Through generations, coconut oil has been venerated as a magical home remedy for hair problems. Heat up 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Mix well and apply on the hair and scalp. Wait for an hour or so and wash it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. This can help you get rid of dandruff. Blend coconut oil and a ripe banana together. Add a little bit of coconut milk to the mixture. Apply on the hair and scalp. Let the mixture rest for quite some time and then shampoo off. This is a good anti-hair fall remedy. Whisk an egg and a teaspoon of honey into coconut oil. Massage onto hair and scalp. Wait for a couple of hours for maximum benefit. Shampoo as usual. This is a good home remedy for damaged hair. Mix coconut oil with almond oil, argan oil and a tablespoon of yogurt. Apply this mask well on your hair and scalp and keep it overnight. Shampoo it off the next day. This routine will add luster to dull hair. How coconut oil helps. There are several reasons why people have sung paeans to coconut throughout the ages. Medium-chain fatty acids and lauric and capric acid ensure rich antimicrobial and antifungal properties in coconuts, and these are primarily required to prevent free radicals from stunting hair growth. Coconut oils also ensure shiny and dark hair. Point 4. Does home remedies for hair growth with castor oil prevent hair problems? Add a teaspoon of methy seeds to 6 tablespoons of castor oil and coconut oil each. Heat the mixture till it turns a little brown and starts foaming. Cool it off and massage it on your scalp and hair. Wait for about 45 minutes and wash it off. Apply this mixture at least twice a week for maximum benefits. If you have really dull hair, this mask is the right type of home remedy for you. Take 5 teaspoons of castor oil and 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, that is quite common in our kitchens. Mix well and massage onto your scalp and hair for about 10 minutes. Shampoo it off after a while. Home remedies for hair growth with castor oil. How castor oil works. It has been traditionally used for treatment of damaged scalp and hair loss. Castor oil is rich in proteins, minerals and vitamin E, and therefore it works as a magic potion for your hair. What's more, castor oil has ricinoleic acid and omega-6 essential fatty acids, which boost blood circulation to the scalp, thereby increasing hair growth. Castor oil can also be used to tackle split ends. 5. Can we rely on home remedies for hair growth with shiitake and retha? You can make shiitake powder at home by drying the pods in the sun for a few days and then grinding it in a mixer. Take about 2 tablespoons of this powder and add it to a jar of coconut oil. Store the container in a cool, dark place for about 15 days. Shake before use. Use this to massage your scalp at least twice a week. How shiitake works. This has been considered a highly effective home remedy for all kinds of hair problems. Because of its fantastic hair cleansing properties, it's often considered a natural alternative to shampoo. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, K, and D, which can keep the hair nourished. Rinse with retha, soap nuts. Take several pieces of soap nuts and shiitake points. Boil them in 500 liters of water. Leave the mixture overnight. Strain the mixture and use it as a shampoo. Use regularly and marvel at the myriad benefits. How retha works. Retha is saponin, that is responsible for keeping your hair healthy. 6. What are the benefits of home remedies for hair growth with aloe vera for hair? Home remedies for hair growth with aloe vera. If you have greasy hair, aloe vera can be a savior. Add 5 drops of lemon juice and 2 drops of tea tree oil and mix them with 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Massage your head with this, using your fingertips. Cover your hair with this mask and let it stay for 30 minutes. Shampoo off, use conditioner as well. Tea tree oil can act against scalp infections. Soak 2 tablespoons of methy seeds in water overnight. Blend the softened seeds to form a smooth paste. Mix this 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this as hair mask and keep it on for 45 minutes. Shampoo off. This can be a good anti-hair fall mask. How aloe vera works. Aloe vera has myriad benefits for our skin and hair, mainly because of its strong contents. It is rich in fatty acids, vitamins, essential amino acids and minerals like zinc and copper that are known for boosting hair growth. 7. How can home remedies for hair growth apple cider vinegar help? Cider vinegar. This mask can help control oil in your tresses and scalp. Combine half a cup of apple cider vinegar with the grated peel of a lemon. Apply on your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. This will help the mix absorb excess oil from your scalp. Rinse off with water. Slowly add ACV to half a cup of Fuller's Earth. Make a thick paste. Add a few drops of lemon juice and mix well. Cover your hair fully with this mask. You can rinse with water or you can shampoo it off. How ACV works. It has the right ingredients for stronger and bouncier hair: vitamin C, vitamin Bs and acetic acid. Vitamin C is known for fighting harmful free radicals and dandruff. Vitamin B can help in smoother blood circulation. Acetic acid can help in ridding the hair of harmful chemicals, germs and bacteria. 8. How can we make home remedies for hair growth with egg masks? You can make a brilliant hair conditioner with just eggs and yogurt. Take 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of fresh yogurt, only unflavored varieties, to make a paste. Apply it as a hair mask, and wait for at least 30 minutes. Shampoo off. This one can nourish your hair like anything. Take 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix well. Cover your hair with this. Wait for 30 minutes and then rinse with shampoo. How eggs work. As hair is made up of 70% keratin protein, eggs can be used to rebuild damaged and dry hair, making it smooth and moisturized. Eggs are good for all hair types. These are just perfect for hair nourishment. In fact, your home remedies for hair should include eggs. FAQs. Home remedies for hair growth. Q. Is oiling absolutely necessary as a home remedy? Home remedies for hair's growth. A. Yes, it is. Oiling is certainly a basic component of your hair care routine. Oil can penetrate hair shaft, thereby delivering hydration and preventing hair damage. But a word of caution: some products such as coconut oil have occlusive properties and can lock in moisture if left on for too long and can cause further breakouts. It can also trigger allergic reactions in those with sensitive skin. Yet a basic oiling routine can be judiciously followed, after consultation with a hair professional. For instance, hot oil massage, if done in a proper way, can do wonders. A warm oil massage is said to be more beneficial than a cold oil massage, as the heat can facilitate blood circulation, thereby boosting nutrient supply to hair follicles. Hair also absorbs oil better when it is warmer. Do not overheat, as it can destroy the nutrients. Do not start oiling your hair indiscriminately, especially if you have oily hair. Consult a hair expert beforehand. Q. What are the best foods for hair growth? Home remedies. Best foods for hair growth. Applying hair masks as home remedies is fine, but you have to fight hair damage internally as well. Your hair care routine is incomplete if your meals do not contain the foods that are essential for your hair health. For instance, certain nutrients such as protein, vitamin B12, biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, iron and vitamin E are good for promoting hair growth. So, consult a dietitian first and then opt for a diet that contains eggs, protein and biotin, leafy vegetables, iron, nuts and seeds, omega-3 fatty acids, avocado, vitamin E, and whole grains and meat, vitamin B. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list of the best foods for hair growth. Consult a dietitian for more options. Take foods that are rich in protein, biotin, vitamin B, vitamin B12 and vitamin E. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.